Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Juply, and I'm going to be talking about compromised sites and how to fix them. Um, Unfortunately, a lot of it's going to be based upon the support you get from Google on how easy it's going to be, and I'll go through that, how difficult it is. Um, we fixed the problem, so I can't show you the actual Google account that was suspended. Well, it wasn't suspended, it just had a compromised site label, and this is the website. So this is a print screen of the issue. So you have to figure out there's a code on your website that's causing the issue. So how do you find the code? Well, it depends on the level of support you've got. This is a support an account that we are running the ad. So first of all, we fixed it. So you can see if I go to today, we've had some clicks. This is not, if I refresh the screen so you know it's a real browser, I'm not making this up. And I have hidden the customer ID number for a reason. I've got competitors out there and I don't want them seeing what I'm doing. But anyway, so that's the website. You can see it's running, it's approved. And then if I look at the old email, we just, the print screen we had, it's the same website address. Um, AGAPE built pause, and as you can see, it's here. So the first thing you're going to need to do is figure out what kind of support you have. So you're going to go to the help bar in your Google account, and you're going to have this option here. Scroll down to contact us. Let me just increase. I can't increase my screen, but there you go. Go to contact us. You're going to type in the word other. Okay, other. Type in next. You're going to scroll down to other, next step. Again, I'm just going to try and change my screen a bit for you guys. Next step, contact options. This is where it gets here. You're going to put your customer ID number. I'm going to pause it while I enter my customer ID number. Okay, forgive the screen, but I'm hiding my customer ID number. As you can see, I've got an email option. So what I'm going to do is switch now to another account that we use to test. And I can't change my screen size, so forgive me on this. But now I'm in the account that we use to test these. So this was the old account that we had to find out what the issue was. Let me go to, let's just change a few things so you can see what I'm doing. Hold on. Here we go. Let me just, I can't make the screen. Let me pause it to make the screen bigger. 1 second. Okie dokie. So let me go into the test that we did. So this was a test that we did. Now this is the account we used to get the support to find the answer. So you can see that the website is there, yeah? So we went to help, and we did the same process like I said. So I went to contact us, yeah? Um, Click on, type in other. Now what you're going to have to do is again go to the next step, contact. Now again, I'm just going to pause it while I put my customer ID number in. All right, so I've entered my customer ID. Look, I've got a call option and a chat option. Because I have this, I have a better form of support from Google. Now, when I reached out to them and said, hey, this account was compromised, the website was an issue, I got an email back from them. Um, so if we go into the email they sent me, give me a second, you can see if I open it up. They sent me an email saying they forwarded the domain name, and basically there were two malicious links on the website, and these were the links. So we got them removed, and then yeah, we got them removed, and the customer was able to advertise. So that's how we can fix it. It takes on average like 3 to 4 weeks. And I've done this before. It's not a complicated process. You have to get a hold of Google and get it done. So if I get my emails up, give me 1 second. Okay, so these are some emails that I've had from Google regarding compromised sites. Again, this is the one confirming that that URL, and let me try and zoom this in for you guys. And again, it had those links on it. So you have to find out what's causing it. And, if you're trying to call them, you're not getting through, I completely understand, but you need that account with that support level. If you don't, you're going to struggle. And this is an account that I got fixed. Um, so here, I was working with a client, and this was the account number. But anyway, it says we are glad to inform you has now been approved. So you have to fix them first. It's not an easy process. Let's have a look at this one. So they try to give me a call. Um, Again, this is another case that I was working on. Clean, and again, no malware. Yeah, no malicious links. So it takes about 24 hours for it to work. And if you notice on the email, we get a case number, right? Look at the case number here. It's different. Okay, so the case number is 8612, ends in 5712, and again, this was fixed. Okay, we know that this case was fixed. Is able to start serving, yeah, on case 35712. And then if I go to this one, it's a different case number, 3261. So it's a different website. So yeah, I mean, it's not an easy process, guys. If you want me to help you, I'm happy to help you. Just reach out to me, and yeah, I'd be happy to help you. My website is Juplee, JUPPLEE.com. My fee starts as of, now 2024, $500. It can go up depending on workload, cases, and so on. But I'm the guy that can help you fix compromised sites. But thanks for watching. I hope it was for you. I hope it was useful, guys. But yeah, Juplee, JUPPLEE.com.